Hi everyone, welcome to MacroLearning. So today we're gonna try to name some alkenes. We have 7 of them to name. So today we'll take care of the first 3, and we will do the other 4 in another video. So let's start with the first one. Alright, so it's got parentheses. Actually, let's draw out the simplified structure real quick. Okay. So that's where the double bond is. That's the methyl group, right? So 6. Okay. So the naming of alkenes is pretty similar to alkanes, so it shouldn't be too hard for you if you've got familiar with the IUPAC nomenclature for alkanes, because with alkenes you just, instead of say something alkanes or hexanes or octanes, you say hexenes or octenes, and the only thing you do is you put the number, the carbon number for the double bond in front of the name. Okay, here's how. The main chain, alright, main chain is this. It's the longest chain that contains the double bond, so it's gonna be this main chain and not this, right, which doesn't contain the double bond. So the substituent is this, and so it's a methyl, and the main chain would be a pentene. So the numbering goes like, we start numbering on this side because this is the side that's closest to the double bond. So the double bond has carbon number of 1, and the methyl substituent has carbon number of 2. So we say 2-methyl, right? 2-methyl and 1-pentene. 1-pentene. Still one word, right? Pentene, T-E-N-E. Okay, so 1 meaning that the double bond is between carbons 1 and 2. Okay, we don't call it 2-pentene. That's just the way we call it. If it's between carbons 1 and 2, we just say the carbon bearing the lowest number. We say 1, not 2. Okay, 2 is the substituents number here. So it's 2-methyl, 1-pentene. Alright, great. Next one. Alright, so this is only a 3-carbon straight chain alkene with 1 bromine substituent. So we start the numbering from this end, right? Giving this one 1, 2, 3. Okay, we don't do the other way. We don't go the other way because the numbering is supposed to start at the carbon that's closest to the double bond, not the one that's closer to the bromine. So this is how we go about the numbering. And the bromine is on carbon number 3, so it's, oops, sorry, bear with me, 3 bromo, bromo. So where's the double bond? It's between carbons 1 and 2, so we call it 1, right? 1 propene, 3 bromo, 1 propene. Okay, next one. Okay, so for this one I would probably just go ahead and draw the full, or I mean the simplified structure using another color here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the double bond, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's check, make sure that we didn't miss any carbon. So a total of how many carbons does this have? 5 plus 6, 11 carbons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So okay, we got it right. And 11 carbon is going to be a undecane, not undecane, but undecane, because it's a alkene. All right, undecane, and there's no substituent, so we just number the carbon atoms to figure out the carbon number for the double bond. So it looks like numbering would start on this side, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because this way the double bond is closer to where the numbering begins. That's why we start from this end for the numbering. So it's 5. Just as well use a different color. 5 undecane. It's that simple. 5 because the double bond is on, starts on the or between the 5th and the 6th carbon, so we call the lowest carbon number the 5 undecane. Okay. Alright, so that's it for this first part of this nomenclature question, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.